before starting the video, I suggest you to, on the subtitle of this video, it will be really helpful for you to understand the lecture properly. Thanks. In today's video, we will talk about Home tab of the simulation environment in Aspen Plus. Initially, you will see some of the Home tab commands are not available. This is because these commands works with the simulation and specific objects. As we have not created any simulation yet, that is why. So to understand the working of these Home tab commands, we must have simulation. So open Aspen Plus in your laptops and computer. Don't worry, I won't do anything cool without you. Now, pause this video and open Aspen Plus. Welcome back, I hope you have opened the Aspen Plus. Now, to open simulation, go to the File menu, from there select Open, then go to the folder where you have installed Aspen Plus. By default the location is go to C drive, then Program Files, from there select Aspen Tech, then go a little bit down, and you will see Aspen Plus folder. Open this folder, then go to GUI. Don't worry, we are almost there. Now select Example, and here we are. A round of applause for your effort. You did very well. Now select any folder you want to open, or if you want to follow along with me, select Energy Analysis. From here select the first example, and click Open, to open the simulation in Aspen Plus. A dialog box appears, and warns you that you don't have write access. Don't worry. You are not doing any illegal work. These examples are for our use, so feel free to use them, and just click OK. And if you want to not see this warning in future, then check box, don't display this warning again, and then press OK. I am just leaving this warning as it is. Now, I am just increasing the workspace area, to get the better visual. You can follow with me or leave the simulation as it is. Click downward arrow in the model palette, and select Auto Hide. Now select this arrow in Activated Analysis Dashboard, to get more space. And final step is to click on the Zoom to Fit button to fit the simulation in the available workspace. Now, it's look pretty good. Ha ha ha. Now, select the Home tab. The Home tab of the ribbon contains the most commonly used commands. There are different versions of the Home tab, available in the Energy Analysis, Safety Analysis, and Property environments. If you want to check, then click on the Property Environment button, and here you are. You can clearly see that these commands are different from Simulation Environment Home tab. Now we are going back in the simulation mode, by clicking on the Simulation button. You can also see Home tab of Safety Analysis and Energy Analysis, but I am not going there, because that is not, we are focusing on this video. So in Home tab, the first group we have is Clipboard Group. This group contains cut, copy and paste commands. The cut command delete an object or text and put it on the clipboard, to be pasted elsewhere. The cut command is not available right now. To activate cut command, select text, or any object, from the simulation. I am selecting this heading. Now the cut command is available. Click it, to cut the selected text. Press OK, in the dialog box. And see the magic happened. The selected text disappear. So where did it go? Did we lose it? Don't worry, your data is not lost. It is now moved in the clipboard. As you can see, the paste button is now available, where our text is saved. Now click paste button to get your text back. And here it is. You can move the text, wherever you want. I am placing it back. Now we will do it one more time, but this time, we will use shortcut key. Now I am selecting this object, and use the shortcut key Ctrl+X. And press OK. And we'll paste it, also using the shortcut key Ctrl+V. And here our object is pasted. Now, go to your Aspen Plus, and do the same, to get used to this command. But before you go, also see the copy command. Copy command: copy an object or text onto the clipboard, to be pasted elsewhere. Select the text and click on the arrow of copy command. There are two types of copy: copy and copy special. Copy special copies an object, and open a dialog box to allow you to select additional objects to copy. This command is only available in the simulation environment. The copy special works only with the objects selected, and not with the text, so just select copy, and your text will be copied. Now paste the text, same as you have done in cut command. Now select the object, and click on the arrow of the copy command, and select the special copy. This dialog box will appear. Now simply select the attribute you want to copy, and click OK. And paste it, using the paste command. Now, you can see that ID conflict error message appears. This is because the object is already present, with the same name and attribute, so I am just cancelling this command. You can copy also using the shortcut key Ctrl+C. Now, pause this video, go on your Aspen Plus, and try these examples, to get used to it, and come back. The second group we have is units group. It contains global units and unit sets. From global units you can choose the global units of measure. All fields where you have not explicitly selected units are updated to units in the specified set, and their values are updated correspondingly. Unit sets: open the unit sets form to define unit sets. I am not going in details, we will learn about unit sets in upcoming videos. Now, the third group is run group. Next command, move to the next input sheet that requires input. And if the all required inputs are complete, then it shows that run the simulation. Run command runs the simulation. Step command. So before talking about this command you should know about sequential modular mode, and equation-oriented mode. If you are in sequential modular mode, then it runs the next block in the convergence sequence. Or you can use this to step through the solution to the point where you want to switch to equation-oriented mode. Equation-oriented modeling is an alternate strategy for solving flowsheet simulations. Stop command stops a running simulation. Reset command reinitialize the simulation. Control panel: open the control panel window, displaying the convergence sequence, engine messages, and optionally equation-oriented controls. Reconcile commands: this command only available when you had run the simulation. So I am run the simulation. By clicking on the run button, wait for the simulation to finish its run. Now, you can see that reconcile command is available. It reconcile input variables whose values have been changed, such as by design specs or equation-oriented modeling. Settings: open the Run Settings dialog box to specify engine file options, run options, and background run options. In a batch flowsheet, the batch options form is opened instead. I am not going into details now, because in this video I am just giving overview of commands. In upcoming videos, we'll talk about all of them in detail. The next group is summary group. Model summary command is used to open the indicated results forms. The form is selected in the navigation pane and the form appears in the current form window in the workspace. These commands are only available in the simulation environment. It gives you the brief summary about your simulation model, like property method, used by model, utility ID, etc. Stream summary gives you details about streams like their total mass flow, mole flow, stream temperature, etc. Click the arrow to the right of the stream summary command to select a stream group to display in the stream summary. Utility cost gives details about costing, like electric power cost, total utility cost, etc. Input display an input file for the current simulation in the default text editor. History display the history file in the default text editor. It will show error if the simulation has not been run yet, so first, run the simulation, and come back to this option, to see the history of your simulation. Report command displays a report. A dialog box lets you select which part of the report to display. The report opens in the default text editor. Run the simulation first, then generate report, as I have already ran the simulation, so I can generate report, just by simply clicking it. It asks me, what part of the simulation you want, so I want all parts, but you can select whatever part you want. And here is the text file. The next group is analysis group. These commands are not available in batch flow sheets. Stream analysis, analyze the currently selected stream. As I have not selected any stream, so it is unavailable. Now, I have selected this stream, and now it is available. Several different kinds of analysis are available. Sensitivity commands. Open the sensitivity form to define an sequential modular sensitivity analysis. Data fit commands. Open the data fit form to define data sets and / or regressions based on those data sets. Heat exchanger command. Open Aspen exchanger design and rating to configure rigorous heat exchanger models. It is again only available when you have run the simulation, and must have heat exchanger in your simulation. It will take some time to open. Azeotrope search commands. Find azeotropes using Aspen distillation synthesis. Distillation synthesis command. Generate ternary maps using Aspen distillation synthesis. Now, I know that you are tired of listening me, so don't worry. We are just there to end this lecture. Now the second last group of hometab is safety analysis group. This group contains pressure relief, pressure relieving device rating, in short PRD rating, and the last one is flare system command. These commands are not available in batch flow sheets. Pressure relief command opens the safety analysis environment to define pressure relief devices and scenarios. It might take some time to open, so keep calm. Ha ha ha. PRD rating command opens the pressure relief form to define a pressure relief scenario. Flare system command opens Aspen Flare System Analyzer to model flare systems, and is only available when you have run the simulation, as I have already ran the simulation, so this command is available. If on your Aspen Plus this command is not available, then run the simulation first, and then execute this command. This command does not send any data. And the last group of hometab is, I don't know. Ha ha ha. Just kidding, the last group is unnamed, means that this group has no name. So you can simply call it datasheets command, and as there is only one command in this group, so you can also call this group as datasheets group. Datasheets command, connect to Aspen Basic Engineering, to work with Aspen Basic Engineering datasheets. This button appears only when Aspen Basic Engineering is installed. Hurrah, we have reached at the end. Finally we did it. Ha ha ha. A round of applause for your persistence. So, that's all for today. See you all in next video. Till then, stay blessed.